There is something magical about January. It's more than a new month. It's a new chapter, a blank page, and a chance to create the life you have always been dreaming of. This year, it's about stepping up, stepping out of your comfort zone and deciding to put yourself first. When I began my own wellness journey, I didn't really know where to start. I felt overwhelmed by the noise of it all: what to eat, how to move, when to rest. I wanted something simple, something that made me feel empowered instead of discouraged. And one day, I realized something had shifted. My thoughts felt clearer, and I started to see the world differently. Ideas came effortless, and I felt calmer and more grounded. The worries I used to carry started to fade. And at first, wellness felt like something to check off a list. Just another task in a busy day. Or, oh, I need to squeeze in this workout. Or, oh, I don't have time. But over time, I learned it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about doing something every day, building the small habits that create a consistent and sustainable routine. It's about setting a new standard of living, a standard where your health, your energy, and your confidence come first. This January, I want you to imagine what is possible. Imagine that version of yourself who feels so strong and vibrant and completely in sync. And the version of you is already inside. You just need to take the first step. The beauty in this is that you have the control, and once you start to realize that life happens for you and not to you, everything changes. Or well, for me it did. And when I started challenging myself, not just physically but mentally, I discovered a new kind of strength. It wasn't just in my body, it was in my mind. And each time I stepped out of my comfort zone, I grew a little more. Discomfort wasn't the barrier, it was the path to something better. And those small, consistent efforts became the building block for a life that I truly loved. It wasn't the discipline that kept me going, it was curiosity. I wanted to see what I could achieve, how far I could grow, and that desire became my foundation. Because wellness isn't just about checking boxes or following rules, it's about choosing to show up for yourself day after day. It's about creating a rhythm that works for your life and helps you thrive. Because real strength isn't in perfection, it's in persistence. And this is your year, your moment to redefine how you live, how you feel, and how you care for yourself. I am here to guide you, to challenge you, and to remind you that you are capable of more than you think. You guys, there is an absolute way to live a life that you are just truly, truly in love with. And there is a way to find all the tools to honestly feel your most confident self, to feel so much self-acceptance and so much self-love. And I feel over the past years, I would say, I have been on that journey myself, and I have dabbled into so many different things, and I feel by testing out things that have worked with me, I have really been able to figure out and kind of put together this toolbox that has helped me to become the best version of myself, to feel my absolute best, and to show up every day the way I have always dreamed of. And I think this is why I love platforms like YouTube so much, because I get so much joy in sharing these tools and sharing these rituals and routines that have helped me with all of you. And I always read the comments and I read the DMs, and it's just been really amazing, like having such a big and global community all around. Now, I feel in the past years, I have also dabbled a lot between different workout routines, and something that has truly helped me to make me feel strong and confident is adding strength training into my routine. Years ago, I switched to all low impact workouts to balance my hormones and to find more balance. I feel I was overtraining a lot, and while I switched over to low impact and doing a lot of Pilates, I also found strength training, and I found it really empowering. I was first a little intimidated by adding weights, but by doing this more and more and stepping out of that comfort zone and every time trying it out, I slowly progress over time. And this is what I truly mean with building those little habits and like showing up every day on a small, consistent basis is going to truly lead to big results in the future. I am sure by you clicking on today's video that you are looking for some type of new start, or maybe it's a sign, or maybe it's just about raising your standard of living. And I want this video to, make you feel inspired that you can truly do anything you want and you can reach any goal that you are going to set yourself as long as you show up for yourself on a daily basis. And because I've really gotten so much value out of this type of training and it has helped me so much, I have created a 30-day signature Soul Sing Body program. For anyone who's new here, Soul Sing Body is my health and wellness app. And we created a challenge for the community that is 30 days with a combination of strength training, Pilates training, with nutrition guidance. We have meal plans with our registered dietitian, mindfulness and stretching, because I think that is a really important part of wellness. It's not just about nutrition and food and workouts, it's so much more. It's about the relationship you have with others, the relationship you have with yourself, the calmness, the groundedness that you can build into your routine in balance of, I feel like busy social life. So I truly combined all of these components in this 360s approach. We're starting the challenge on January 6th. So if you want to join me there, you can find more information in the link down below and start your 7-day free trial and join with me. And not even just me, it's truly a big global community all around the world. And I am so excited for you to start this new chapter and also for me in taking all of you along. Love you guys.